Hey guys, this is SPC Concord 689 here, and looks like we got some nasty looking clouds down here. There is some thunderstorms up near Winston-Salem, North Carolina. They're moving south and they're coming toward us, and these are the clouds that are coming from it. Is it bad for me? Checking the weather. I've been checking the weather. We have showers and thunder showers likely today, so it's not that bad. It's not too much of a big deal. If a thunderstorm does form, I will be feeling a long time. The thunderstorms apparently ain't here yet. As you can see, they haven't issued alerts for these storms at all. They ain't near severe limits, but oh, come on, you dang TV. Here, yeah, if y'all want to hear the forecast.
Highs in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, cloudy. A chance of showers until midnight. Then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. The extended forecast for the listening area. Tuesday,
It's been windy today. The sun was out earlier. Oh, come on! This is the second day of rain. I haven't had a break. See how it's windy? I know, right? It's been crazy. Really smoky. Stop.
There's no Irish food in this bar whatsoever. If you go to an Irish bar, I want Irish food. I want Irish.
Hold on, I'm gonna go to the weather.
The ultimate compression garment for maximum lower back muscle support.
I played 20 years in the National Football League. No one took a beating like I did. As soon as I put on Copper Fit, I could feel the support. Oh, yeah. This feels good.
Dang it.
To provide everyday support, comfort, and relief to lower back muscle.
See how everything calmed down now? Like, we were never out here. What's that? I want to know.
Oh, come on. They say it's supposed to be nice today, but turns out there's thunderstorms up near Winston-Salem.
receive one lightweight back belt form-fit for your size and comfort. Order right now, and your shipping is free.
There's no reason to torture yourself.
As you can see,
Give it a try. You're gonna feel better.
Look, if you want the power to stay active, then you want CopperFit.
Experience
it is
the relief of
209.
compression support. Feel the power of CopperFit back. Call 1-800-435-9301.
Take your first step.
Find out your family history and get your blood pressure checked.
It can save your life.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of Americans.
February is American Heart Month.
Schedule your wellness exam. Pure and simple.
Well, here's the rain forecast. Let's see how much rain we get. Really, we're not getting that much. I live up near Charlotte. Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to SPC Des Moines. He's awesome. I don't need to know about the Northeast. Like I said, welcome to my channel video. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos this summer because severe season's coming. As you can tell, it's windy. Man, I'm bored. I just want something to happen. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I think.
Just a degree.
Hold on. I think they're gonna issue a special weather statement up near Iredell County.
North Carolina. Here are the 2 p.m. updates. Friday night. Thunderstorms will be brief heavy rainfall and cloud-to-ground lightning. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, KJY 85 broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower in Mooresville, North Carolina. At Rock Hill. The temperature was 66 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina. Partly sunny with a temperature of 69. It was cloudy with a temperature of 63 at Hickory, 68 at Raleigh-Durham, 74 at Wilmington, and 63 at Asheville. In South Carolina, at Greenville-Spartanburg, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 65. At Columbia, it was cloudy with a temperature of 66.
Okay, guys.
Once again at 2 p.m. at the Charlotte.
Leave a comment in below if you want me to move that table from there to over here. Alright guys, this is SPC Concord 5689. I'll see you later.